As we've learned before, elements are all around us. And two of the most important elements, ones that we address a lot, are oxygen and hydrogen. So we're going to see how those interact throughout the environment. So our objective for today, through this video, is to understand how one of the ways that oxygen and hydrogen travel through our ecosystems. And what we're going to examine is the water cycle, as you can tell by this beautiful picture. So as we know, water molecules are made up of one oxygen and two hydrogens, and they're in this bent tetrahedral shape. So a lot of things that we know: oxygen is in water, oxygen is in the air we breathe, hydrogen makes up many organic compounds. So through the water cycle, we're going to examine one way that it travels through it. So this is the water cycle. And so the H2O starts off from evaporating from the storage source and forming clouds, which is called condensation. We should all identify condensation and know that the process of moving from a liquid to the gas is called that. But we should also identify that in temperature-wise, this is called the vaporization. From condensation, it's going to come back down to precipitation. So from gas to liquid, that would be precipitation. And also, once again, our vaporization, just in the opposite regard. Once it comes back down to precipitation, it's going to go back into its liquid form of storage. And so this is our lakes, our oceans. And liquids, again, we're going from gas to liquid, and then liquid. In this case, ice is also a form of storage. So that right there is the water cycle. Now, this is one of the ways that oxygen and hydrogen move throughout our ecosystem. And so we're going to have you guys figure out another way. On a sheet of paper, I want you to draw the water cycle, and then I'm going to have you add to that in a different color another way that oxygen and hydrogen travel throughout our ecosystem.